practice and precedents in the United States.
And per our legislative rules, we can waive the rules so that we
can
allow
suspend the
non-members
rules to
to
allow
speak.
it.
Mr. President, before we proceed with the other bills for third reading, allow me, Mr. President, to deliver a short manifestation. Mr. President.
Before that, Chair would like to acknowledge the presence of the aforementioned guests. Welcome to your Senate. What is the pleasure of the Majority Floor Leader?
Yes, Mr. President, this is just a short manifestation.
You may proceed, sir.
I respectfully deliver this manifestation to address a pressing constitutional concern. Mr. President, the Senate received the articles of impeachment against Vice President Sara Duterte 117 days ago. Yet the trial required by Article 11, Section 3(4) of the Constitution to proceed forthwith will begin only on June 11, dangerously close to the end of the 19th Congress. This delay compromises due process and undermines our role as an impeachment court. Under the 1987 Constitution, the Senate of each Congress acts separately and independently of the Senate of the Congress before it. Only 12 senators remain after each election, insufficient to form a quorum. Thus, unlike the U.S. Senate or the Philippine Senate under the 1935 Constitution, we cannot carry unfinished proceedings into the next Congress. Allowing the 20th Congress to take over this trial would be ultra vires or beyond our constitutional power. Jurisdiction over impeachment is exclusive to the Congress that receives the complaint. Supreme Court rulings in Neri versus Senate and Balag versus Senate and our own Senate rules, Rule 44, Section 123, confirm that all legislative and investigatory matters terminate with the expiration of a Congress. This principle is affirmed internationally. Jefferson's Manual provides that unfinished business do not carry over into a new Congress. If we cannot conclude the trial before June 30, 2025, we must recognize this impeachment case is functionally dismissed by constitutional operation and no action can be taken by the 20th Congress on the matter for lack of constitutional authority. Mr. President, kahit anong pilit, hindi maitatawid, lalo na't kung lalabag sa saligang batas. Let this manifestation be entered into the official records and journal of this chamber. I will likewise submit a version